everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial we are going to make this colorful can commercial ad in the After Effects. This is going to be really interesting tutorial, so make sure watch till the end. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the After Effects. So we are going to use these all footages in this video, so you can download from the description. So first of all, select this skin layer and drag and drop into the After Effects. And select this footage and hit OK. And click on this create a composition and name it main. And keep the size same 9020 by 1080, duration 10 seconds. And hit OK. And drag and drop this AI file into the timeline and press S. Make the scale size 48%. You can adjust as you need. Now right click onto it, create, and select this create same from vector layers. And delete this AI file. Now rename it outline. Expand the layer. Click on this add and add this offset path. Expand the offset path, make this amount 0, go to the beginning, add the amount keyframe in the beginning and go to the 2 seconds. Expand the offset path amount like this. It should go out of the composition like this. Alright. Now select all of these 2 keyframes, F9 to ease them. So we will create 7 copies of this. So control to duplicate 6 more times. Control to duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to change the color of all of these. So I will use this color, rainbow colors, and drag and drop into the After Effects. We will use these colors. So first color, I'm going to make this red. And select the second, and second color will be orange. Third color yellow. And if you want one more, then control to duplicate and make this white. And delete this rainbow PNG file. So select all of these layers, press U to see this keyframe, and select this AND layer and hold shift and click on it. Will select all of these layers. Now hold Control Alt and drag like this your all layers. Let's move it a little bit left side. And this is good to me. Now select this any layer. So let's select the start layer, right click, layer styles, and select this outer glow. Expand the outer glow and change blend mode to the multiply. And color, let's make this dark gray and increase the size value of this. It will create like this shadow. So select this outline glow, Control C to copy. Select all of these layers and Control V to paste. Select all of them. Now select all layers, Control to duplicate and move it up and drag it to the right side. And do the same thing. Select all of these layers, Control to duplicate and move it up and drag it to the right side. Alright guys, so now it will create like this animation. So now select all layers, right click, pre-compose it and name it rainbow outline. And go to the around 2 seconds. Here it will cover entire composition, and trim this layer and move it to the left side. And go to the around 3 seconds and trim this layer again. Now right click, time, and select this enable time remapping. Add the keyframe at the 3 seconds and add one more keyframe at the beginning. Delete this keyframe and drag it to the right side and delete this beginning keyframe and move it to the left side again. Now hold Alt, click on it to add the expression and type loop out, open bracket, close bracket, and select this layer and expand the layer. Alright, now import all cans. So select everything, drag and drop into the After Effects and drag and drop any of them and press S, make the scale size 48 as well. Add the scale keyframe and press R, add the rotation keyframe. Now select this outline rainbow pre-composition and make parent to this can layer. Okay, and make this its rotation value -6 and go to the 1 seconds and scale the size. Let's make this 16 and add the rotation keyframe here and go to the around 2 seconds and make this rotation value 6 and copy this scale keyframe, Ctrl C to copy and paste here, Ctrl V to paste. So select all of these keyframe, F9 to ease them and Ctrl C to copy. Go to the few seconds forward here and Ctrl V to paste all of these keyframes. And again do the same process. Go to the few seconds forward, Ctrl V to paste all of these keyframes and here as well. But there is a one problem. This rainbow composition is cropping here. So click on the star icon. It will continue all of these layers. Alright. So now make the 6 copies of this because we have other 6 scans. So Ctrl D to duplicate 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now trim this second layer till this keyframe here, and this one trim till the here this keyframe, and this one's frame here like this, and this one here, and this one will trim here. So you have to trim all of this layer aligned with all of these keyframes. Okay. So now select this orange can and select the second one, hold Alt, drag and drop onto it to replace this can. And same this one, select this one, hold Alt, drag and drop onto it to replace this one. And select, hold Alt, drag and drop, replace. And this one as well. So let's make this render area at the 6 seconds. And congratulations, this tutorial is completed. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, then hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.